How to fix disabled accounts can't be contacted on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first method that you can do is to open up your Instagram app on your device. Now you simply want to open up the conversation of that contact. Now you want to tap on their username at the top. Here tap on these three dots. Then tap on the restrict option. Tap on restrict. After you have restricted this account, you again want to unrestrict it. So go ahead and tap on that contact again and tap on the unrestrict option. Now you want to check if that problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, then the second method is to unfollow and follow. So for that, head over to their profile. Then you want to tap on following and here tap on the unfollow option. After you have unfollowed, you again want to tap on the follow option. This should also fix this problem. However, if it is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is to block and unblock that account. For that, head over to their profile, tap on these three dots, then tap on the block option. Go ahead and tap on block over here. After you have blocked this account, again you want to tap on the unblock option. Go ahead and tap on unblock to confirm. After this, you want to check if the problem is fixed, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.